How to fix PS4 Error CE-35918-6. Here are some tips that would help you fix PS4 Error CE-35918-6, so you can read your disk on your PS4. 1. Eject the disk from the PS4 system and then check whether your disk is dirty or damaged. If so, use a new or different one. If not, 2. Insert another PS4 game disc, Blu-ray, or DVD to find out if they work. Note, if other discs can be read without any issues, it may be that the disc you were trying to play is faulty, and should therefore be replaced. If other discs don't work either, please contact PlayStation support.